There, ladies and gents, I have a package, and it's actually a Gundam package this time. It's not an anime package, so I'm going to open it up. So let's have some fun. There we go. And if it wants to cut, there we go. There it wants to cut very well. Not very skilled at opening boxes one-handed. However, I guess it's just an acquired taste. My poor hobby knife. Still should be good. Probably shouldn't have used such a small hobby knife for that. This is in my room, so it's gonna be kind of dirty. Alright. Open it up. It's kind of dark in this shot. As I topple over a Gundam, I move to a better shot with more light. Oh, yes. Oh, these are so much fun. Alright, but should probably hurry up with this picture. Yeah, buddy. Oh, man, I just knocked over my other Gundam over there. Oh well. Holy crap. First thing I gotta say is that this thing is pretty freaking big. Jesus. This thing's actually bigger than what I thought it would be. There's the unpainted kit. Holy crap. So much detail. This guy looks amazing. Looks fun. There's that box art. You got the box art on the side. And now you got some of the features. Can't wait to pop this guy open. Anyhow, sorry for the bad lighting. So, well, this has been a Gunpla Package number 1. There'll probably be more to come.